Today we are going to discuss about the Faraday's law. Okay. So we know that the Faraday experiments revealed that whenever there is a change in magnetic flux linkage with a circuit, an EMF induced in the net, which results the flow of current. The flow of current itself sets up a magnetic field of its own. The Lenz found that the direction of magnetic field due to the current flow in such a that it opposes the change, causing, that is, it decreases the magnetic field if the magnetic flux is increasing, and increases the magnetic field if the magnetic flux is decreasing. Okay, so just like the how inertia of the body is opposes of its motion. Therefore, the Faraday's law, the second law, we can say can be stated in that way. The magnitude of the induced EM, that is E, is equal to circuit is equal to the rate of change of magnetic field, or flux, we call the rate is directly from the rate of change of magnetic field. Okay, yeah, phi is the magnetic field in opposite direction. So therefore E is equal to, okay, N into d of d phi by dt, the rate of change of magnetic field in the opposite direction. The number of N is the number of terms of that circuit, we can take. Okay, or coil, we are whatever using coils in the circuit. Okay, now N is the number of coil in the conducting body. Okay, that is, so E is the EMF E. This statement, or this is called as a statement for the Faraday's law of equation. Or we can continue this, it is in the form the same Faraday's law, integral form and the point form, or we can say point form is a differential form. So how, for example, you take one conductor loop. Okay, this is a conductor carrying a current. If it is a conductor, means naturally you consider some small area in the big area on loop, that is surface is S, you take a small element area S. If you take a N is the unit vector for this. Okay, this is the what we are taking for test ds. This is a conducting loop. What is this? This is a conducting loop. Okay, current carrying here. Okay, kept in a magnetic field, conducting loop kept in a magnetic field. Okay, then naturally this loop of material, which is stationary, let it is subjected to a change in the magnetic flux linkage as the Faraday's law. According to this, as the Faraday's law, we can write this as E equal to minus d phi by dt. EMF is directly proportional to its rate of change of magnetic flux. Rate of change of flux is there. Okay, that is in the opposite direction. If N is the number of turns will take, phi is the magnetic flux linkage is there. Okay, it can be shown, okay, in this way also. How we can show this? D phi by dt can also be shown integration of over the surface. Okay, what is that? Rate of change of, what is you kept in the field of magnetic, rate of change of magnetic field. Okay, along with its small element ds, I will take vectors. Okay, see the EMF loop is given by along to this. Okay, this loop E. EMF E along with this loop is closed circuit. For example, this is closed circuit. Okay, yes, or closed circuit E is equal to electric field, the rate of change of its length along with the element of the length. We can write this as, you compare the equation this. Okay, what this equation and this equation and this equation. Okay, for example, this is 1, this is 2, means compare this E and this E, what will get here. So with the help of this we can write E of dl integration or close integration, E of E equal to what we write, E is equal to minus Faraday's law, surface dB by dt dot ds. This will write to call it. This equation is the integral form of the Faraday's law. Okay, this is integral. What is the point law? So we now take the Stokes law or Stokes theorem. What is the Stokes theorem? We will write the statement of Stokes theorem. What is the statement? So in a closed surface of its element electric field along with the length is always equal to is always equal to integration over the surface of its curl. Okay, delta E means curl into along with its element ds. Okay, this is Stokes law. The called that equation number 4. Okay, equating the equation 3 and equation 4, this is EDL, this is EDL. What we will get here? Delta E, okay, curl of E, that is delta E along with the ds, okay, integration of S2 equal to minus, okay, rate of change of magnetic field along with its surface, element surface is equal to or this is the integration of this ds. Here also this is multiplied by small element of surface, small element of surface. Therefore I can take this integration del into cross E, that is nothing but curl, plus it will be plus dou by dou b by dou t into what will write ds equal to 0. You know that, okay, in the surface, small surface cannot be 0. Therefore since ds small surface cannot be 0, okay, cannot be, it is not equal to 0. Therefore delta E plus of dou b by dou t equal to 0. Okay, this will not be 0. Or you take it delta cross E can also be written as minus dou b by dou t. So this is another form. Okay, this form is called as a differential form. This form is a integral form. Okay, from the integral, this whatever we were writing, the rate of change of magnetic field in the differential form of this curl is known as differential form of Faraday's law of the and it is also one of the Maxwell equation, and it is also one of the Maxwell equation. So this we will cut it.